Hey guys, Tony, good morning. GameStop completely breaks to the upside. You guys already know that I have like a couple shares and stuff, but GameStop completely breaks to the upside. It needs to close above 227 resistance in order for it to keep running to around 289. If GameStop manages this week to close above 227, I can definitely see it going straight to 289 bucks. I'll call it. If it closes above 227 today, that's where resistance is, around the level. Then I think GameStop is headed to 289-ish or 280 something. And I think if it does get to that point, I think it's going to close that 290 gap easy. But GameStop running back at 226, it actually hit peaks of 231. Wow, it actually went to 231. I did not even know that it hit peaks of 231. So this is insane, man. Hopefully GameStop keeps running. I still have that one YOLO call from last week. The one YOLO call that I bought a week ago for this week. I should have just bought two for this week. But I'll see you guys later. Have a great day. GameStop is running. I hope that it stays like this. Because it looks like if we do close above 227, I can easily see, I'm calling it, GameStop is going to go to 289 and close that 290 gap if we close above 227 sometime this week. I'll see you guys later. Bye.